Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading below $20,000. Bitcoin has been consolidating since when we set a bottom in June 2022. We have seen Bitcoin go to as high as 25,100. Right now, it's below $20,000. We'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. What has Bitcoin done anytime we have seen this kind of long period of consolidation? Should we be expecting Bitcoin to dump to Goblin Town, or should we be expecting Bitcoin to pump maybe to $30,000? In this video, we'll be taking a look at Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin market cap. Where is Bitcoin market cap heading? We're currently above the 2017 all-time high when Bitcoin market cap went to as high as $325 billion. Right now, Bitcoin has a market cap of $372 billion. We'll also be looking at Bitcoin performance against gold, Bitcoin's performance against the money supply. We'll be talking about where Bitcoin is heading in the coming weeks. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Bitcoin is still down 9.8% in the last 1 month. The big one is that in the last 1 year, Bitcoin is still down 65.5%. This is the Bitcoin US dollar price chart from April 2013 to October 2022. We have seen Bitcoin go through different bull runs and bear markets. This is Bitcoin's third bear market since 2013. We've had 3 bull runs and 3 bear markets. The first bull run, we saw Bitcoin go up more than 1,500%. The bear market that came after that bull run, Bitcoin went down 84%. Then Bitcoin surprised a lot of us and went from as low as $172 to as high as $19,690, more than 11,000% increase in the value of Bitcoin. The 2018-2019 bear market was very brutal to the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin went from as high as $19,690 to as low as $3,200. Another 84% drop in the price of Bitcoin. The third bull run we saw Bitcoin since April 2013 took Bitcoin from as low as $3,200 to as high as $69,000, more than a 2,000% increase in the value of Bitcoin in just over 1,000 days. Right now, we're deep in the crypto bear market. Bitcoin has gone from as high as $69,000 to as low as $17,600. That's just a 74% decrease in the bear market. A lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to drop lower than that since we have had 284+% dump in the previous bear market. Why should this time be different? That's why a lot of participants in the market are waiting for Bitcoin to head towards $10,000 or $12,000. Guys, Bitcoin is getting ready for a very huge move, maybe to the downside, but I'm suspecting we might see Bitcoin go to the upside. A lot of people in the market are expecting Bitcoin to dump, and if you can take a look at this chart, Bitcoin is currently holding that 2017 all-time high. Yes, we have been ranging. Let me zoom in so you can see what Bitcoin has been doing in the last few weeks. Bitcoin has been ranging, but you can see that we are still holding that 2017-2018 all-time high. Bitcoin went below the 2017 all-time high when a lot of people got liquidated. We saw Bitcoin trade around 17,800, but Bitcoin has rallied back to 25,000. And now Bitcoin is currently at that $19,000 region. We have been ranging for some weeks right now. I'm suspecting there's a very high chance we might see Bitcoin go to around $29,000, or we might be dumping to everybody's favorite price target, $14,000. A lot of market participants have been calling for $14,000. I myself at some point in time were expecting Bitcoin to go to $14,000. I'll be showing you why I believe big move ahead is not to the downside but to the upside. Let's look at what Bitcoin has done the last time it has tortured us with this kind of sideways consolidation. It happened in December 2018. We saw Bitcoin consolidate for more than 120 days. Bitcoin was stuck around this $3,200 region to as high as $4,200. A lot of people in 2018 were expecting lower prices for Bitcoin, but Bitcoin shocked a lot of us in the market, and the big move that came after that was Bitcoin pumped to the upside, went up more than 235%. One important thing you want to notice is that when Bitcoin was doing that consolidation, Bitcoin RSI was the lowest we have seen in that market. Guys, one important information you want to pay attention to is that anytime Bitcoin has been consolidating this low and the RSI is this low, that's in the lower region, we have seen a huge move in Bitcoin, and that move is not to the downside. It happened in 2015. In 2015, the consolidation was very, very brutal for Bitcoin. Bitcoin started consolidating in January 2015, and we didn't get out of that range till October 2015. More than 273 days, Bitcoin was consolidating in that 79% region. In 2018-2019 bear market, we saw Bitcoin consolidate for more than 120 days. It took Bitcoin 140 days for Bitcoin to finish consolidating. The RSI was in that lower end that we've been talking about. And after that, we saw Bitcoin rally more than 200%. Right now in the 2022 bear market, Bitcoin has been consolidating since when we set that bottom in June 13, 2022. Bitcoin has been consolidating for more than 119 days. At some point in time, Bitcoin will have to have a decision to make. Are we going to the upside or are we going to the downside? In the last 1 year, we have seen Bitcoin go from as high as $68,789 to as low as $17,708. Bitcoin currently has a market cap of $367 billion. A fully diluted market cap of $405 billion. Bitcoin is still ranked number 1 on CoinMarketCap. We have 3.5 million people that have Bitcoin on their watch list. Guys, if you take a look at Bitcoin's market cap, we have been holding that 2018 all-time high. We hope Bitcoin will continue holding this level in the bear market. If not, the next logical support is everybody's favorite support level. We are going to be heading to that $200 billion region. It will mean Bitcoin will have to drop another 41%. If Bitcoin is dropping another 41% from where we're trading right now, around 19,300, guys, it will mean we'll see Bitcoin trading around $12,000. That's why a lot of people are waiting for $12,000, because the previous bear market has shown Bitcoin falling more than 80% from its all-time high. Will this time be different? If you take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, when we saw Bitcoin dominance go from as high as 73% to as low as 39%, Bitcoin dominance has been ranging from that 39.9% to as high as 48%. At some point in time, Bitcoin dominance will have to make a way. Are we going to the upside or to the downside? If we are going to the upside, it means Bitcoin is performing well more than the rest of the market. So maybe Bitcoin is pumping, maybe Bitcoin is not dumping as the rest of the market. But if we see Bitcoin dominance dumping, it doesn't mean Bitcoin will be dumping. Bitcoin might be pumping and Bitcoin dominance will actually be dumping. It just means Bitcoin is not performing as best as the rest of the market. The rest of the market might be pumping really well, but Bitcoin might not be pumping as hard as the rest of the market. If they look at Bitcoin's valuation against gold, now the normal chart we look at is Bitcoin's valuation against the US dollar. But if we take a look at Bitcoin valuation against gold, we'll see that Bitcoin has gotten to that June 2019 support level that a lot of people are waiting for Bitcoin to get to on the dollar pairing. Now, if you take a look at Bitcoin US dollar price chart, June 2017 represented when Bitcoin was trading around $13,000, and Bitcoin has not gotten there. That's why a lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to head towards $14,000. But if you take a look at what Bitcoin has been doing against gold, Bitcoin has gotten to that June 2019 high. That's why I believe a big move is coming for Bitcoin. If we're going to go to the downside, we might see Bitcoin dump lower than that $14,000. Bitcoin might probably dump lower than $10,000, because other charts are showing us that maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in for Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin valuations against gold. Bitcoin has come to that June 2019 high. Even if you take a look at Bitcoin's valuation against the money supply. Now, a lot of money was printed in 2020. We saw governments around the world print outrageous amount of money. So I divided the Bitcoin US dollar price chart by the money supply. That's the Fed money supply. The Fed has been printing a lot of money. Divide Bitcoin US dollar price chart by all those monies they have been printing. Guess what? Bitcoin is back to that June 2019 support level. So that's why I believe maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in, but surely Bitcoin is preparing for a very big move. And history has shown us that anytime Bitcoin is consolidating like this after a very huge drop, maybe we'll see a huge pump. Will this time be different? Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming weeks, in the coming months? Do you think Bitcoin is going to head towards that $14,000 region, or the big move that is coming for Bitcoin will be taking us to glory land? Are we going to be pumping to $29,000, or are we going to be dumping to Goblin Town? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
1, 2